Good morning. So, it's Rise of the Resistance Day. You guys knew it was coming in here. I did get here late. The park opened at 8. It's 8:15. I should have woke up because Jacob said people were here at 4. So I'm just gonna go in. The time is not listed on the app for some reason. I'm not really sure why. So I'm just gonna go and just automatically get in line. Maybe single rider, not sure. I've done Hagrid's though, opening weekend, so can't be much worse, right? I'll wait. You guys know I'll wait. I'll wait in 7 hours. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it no matter what. We're just gonna get in line and wait. I'm trying to decide if I should get some food first, because if I'm gonna be in line for 5 hours, I would like some food. Alright, let's see how the crowds are. Alright, I just got in the park and they gave us one of these. They're doing all virtual lines. They aren't doing any regular standby line. Here's the good part. I'm stuck in this park now. They're boarding groups 10 through 20 right now. I'm group 125. So yeah, now I'm gonna be here all day. Wasn't planning on being here all day. Basically, as soon as they let me know on the app, I have 2 hours that I have to ride it. So I don't know if I have to wait that additional 2 hours to ride the ride. It's gonna be a long day because I didn't bring my charger or anything. So now I gotta try to save my phone battery and wait till the evening to ride this ride. Not the day I was planning, but we'll figure it out. Alright, so I did just talk to someone. The ride, there. I have a boarding pass. The boarding pass they're all sold out now. I'm stuck here until very late. I have one of the last boarding passes for the night. So I just have to pray and pray that this ride does not break down, because otherwise I'm gonna be here all day and not ever get on. So we gotta cross our fingers and let's hope that the ride just keeps running smoothly, because I don't want to be here till midnight. We'll see. 13 hours later, I'm getting on. It's my time, guys. 4 times it broke down. I've waited at this park for 13 hours. It's time to get on. It's happening. It is happening. Oh my gosh, so excited. I'm not going to feel as good until we're actually on the ride. But it is happening. I thought there wasn't going to be a line. I thought that's why we were doing virtual queue. This looks like a pretty long line to me.
Not a big deal. You just stop for 2 seconds.
I would like to say that these caves are much bigger than the caves in Hagrid's line. Alyssa, you'll be fine in here. But Hagrid's line is much more detailed so far. I hate not knowing where the line ends, because I always know, but I don't know.
Captain Skovich to Mobile Command for reassignment.
So from what I'm hearing that they stopped boarding at 127. So we literally just made it. We're in group 125. We just made it for the day. But we've also been standing in line for an hour. So not very virtual to me. They should put a little baby Yoda in here, don't you think?
Alleviate. Is everyone assembled? Good. Should you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining.
joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Potan and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Deck is in motion. Recruit crossing to transport.
Oh my.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pucara.
Be prepared. Yes! We're gonna get you to safety, no worries. Should be a safe flight.
Squads, we're rolling up.
Yes, I just woke to be sure. All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds. Good.
Laboratorio on hyperdrive.
Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Hyperdrive ni llegar a Evio.
Good. Airspeed sensor?
Evio.
Thank you, 9 Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Disembark immediately and prepare to be interrogated. Go now.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, this is incredible.
That's pretty cool.
This is so cool. Oh my gosh, guys.
Follow me. You'll form a new line parallel to the first line. Stop right there. Single file.
Single file.
Stop right there. Single file.
He said stop right there.
Blue row. Enter yourself. Followed by red. Then silver.
Oh my gosh, what is gonna happen? Gosh.
You have to share be greatly appreciated by the order. All the way in your cell.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want.
You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, the door. Oh my god.
Red, silver, orange.
Red. This is the greatest thing, I swear.
Where does it plug in?
Turbo Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu.
Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you. Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Through, droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble. Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who made these two droids anyway?
There they are! Fire!
Oh my god, let's go.
Just follow us.
Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh my god.
Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
This is so scary. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
There's no escape.
Oh, he's behind us.
You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Now I know why they asked me to turn my ears, take my ears off. Oh my gosh, is this where the drop is? This is where the drop is. Oh my god! Yes! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Oh my god.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority.
Oh,
right,
we're
Beck?
gonna go outside.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan for his pods. Lieutenant Beck here. Beck! Good run! I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo!
Oh my god. Like you, oh my god, you don't even understand. I can't even speak right now. Oh my god, that was so good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hagrid, I'm sorry, Hagrid, but this is good. And I don't even like the new Star Wars. I don't like 7, 8, 9. But like, oh my god. Oh my gosh. This was worth waiting the 14, 13 hours that I had to wait. Wow. Wow. Super, super long day. It's totally worth it. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. I can see why I had a lot of technical difficulties. It's very up there. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Everyone needs to ride that. Everyone. Oh yes. Perfect end to this terrible long day. Oh my gosh. We were also stuck in that line. So on top of the 13 hours virtual line, we had about an hour and a half in the regular line. Oh my gosh, that ride, wow. I'm most likely going to be back on Sunday to ride it again. If I come back Sunday, I'm not coming back late, so yes. It's 10:30, been here since 8. It's time to go. Time to go to sleep. Sorry, the whole time I was riding the ride, I was like, ah! But yeah, it was so good. So I will see you guys soon. I don't know what my next video is going to be, maybe this weekend, but we'll see. All right. Good night, everybody.